Hey everyone, if you're into printmaking, woodworking, and tools for creativity, today I'm setting up my printmaking press. This is a 48 by 30 workbench with 3 file shelves. It is really important to make sure that this is put together properly, so I'm taking the time now to tighten all the bolts with my socket wrench. These 3 shelves that go under the butcher block top are great for storing the printing blankets, large oversized printing paper, and just flat file storage. And now we're ready for the press. This is a 24 by 36 printing press. It weighs 270 pounds. It is solid, it is badass, and it is very heavy. It took a couple of guys to help me move it onto this butcher block top. I'm just gonna line it up and make sure that the printing press, the arm of the crank, doesn't bang into the tabletop. And once I have it all lined up, I'm bolting it down. After I'm done bolting down the printing press, I'm going to get the printing bed, which also weighs a mini ton, and I'm going to slide it through the printing press. As I slide it through, I make sure that it gets lined up with the printing press properly. There's some grooves on the side to make sure that it reacts to the crank. So I'm just testing that right now, and then I'm going to put in some bolts at the end. The bolts at the end of the printing bed are really important. They keep the printing bed intact with the printing press. So when you're going through a printing session and you're cranking away, you don't want that printing bed to roll off your printing press. That's a crank handle I'm putting on right now with some more bolts. I'm going to test out my pressure gauges on top to make sure that they're cranking properly. And I am done. Ready to print. Thanks for watching.